Yeah, and starting tomorrow, a new law goes into effect in Ohio that could affect you on the road.
Yeah, distracted drivers, the grace period is up. In less than 24 hours, law enforcement will start issuing tickets for the new distracted driving law. The law took effect in April, and since then, drivers have only been getting warnings. But now, you'll be penalized. Our Kaitor K joins us live to explain the do's and the don'ts of this law. Kaitor?
So the thing about this new law is everyone wants to know what the exceptions are, and there are quite a few, but the bottom line rule of thumb is quite clear. Unless you're parked or at a red light, you shouldn't be touching your phone. So let's go ahead and break this down a little further. While driving, you aren't allowed to dial a phone number or text with your hands, browse the web or social media, or video chat. ODOT and the Ohio State Highway Patrol state that you can use your phone in hands-free ways, such as speakerphone, earpiece, putting your phone in a cradle, or integrating it with your vehicle's Bluetooth. If you don't want to talk on the phone hands-free, you can talk on it with the phone right up to your ear. No holding the phone out in front of your face or placing the phone in your lap. And if you receive a call, you can only accept it with a single touch or swipe, and the same goes for ending the call. And if you're listening to an audio streaming app or using GPS, again, only a single touch or swipe is allowed to activate, modify, or deactivate them.
Practices, before you even leave your driveway or leave the parking lot, wherever you're leaving from or going, have that phone ready to go. If you need a GPS, have those directions in there already. Already have your phone paired to your Bluetooth device in your vehicle. Or, they make, if your car doesn't have a Bluetooth radio, they have speaker phones. Basically, that clip in your visor is a Bluetooth speaker. But have those things established, ready to go, so you get yourself in a position where you're tempted to use that device, or, take your eyes off the roadway and end up in a crash.
That was Sergeant Ryan Perperpa with OSHP. He recommends going to phonesdown.ohio.gov to get a better understanding of the exceptions, such as in the case of emergencies. It should also be stressed that with this new law, people under the age of 18 are restricted from using their devices in any way, including its hands-free features. And coming up at 5 and 6, we're talking fines and driver's license points, meaning we are going to break down the exact penalties you could face if you break this law.
Yeah, hopefully these laws keep people safer out on the roads. Kaitor, thank you.